We're live. This is David Mass reporting live for ADS TV. What has been a very long time since our last broadcast, but here we are on what can only be described as a beautiful day on this earth. And in Preston, sky is blue, the sun is shining, life is good. I mean, any day is a blessing. Any day walking on the right side of the grass is a good thing, but today especially is good because sun's out, guns out. Anyway, we're very busy. So let's have a whip around the workshop, interview a few staff randomly. None of them are expecting it, especially our newest and greatest members of staff.
Facebook Live, your first one.
Lonnie, you're live on ADS TV. Your first broadcast. I was going to warn you, but you know what? I just went in. So, tell us about yourself.
Just started. We used to work in Engel.
Yeah.
Then changed places.
Yeah.
Came to ADS.
Yeah.
I'm loving it.
Loving it. Why are you loving it?
Nice place to work.
What's your boss like?
Alright.
Bit odd,
Yeah.
bit weird, but funny.
Yeah.
Very nice. I'll take that. What about Tom?
I'm special.
One week. Special one.
You're special
I am
to me.
definitely.
To me. Look at that. Tom is absolutely smashing it, aren't you, Tom?
We are, yeah.
Killing it.
It's a team effort.
Killing it.
We have plenty booked in,
Indeed.
plenty of bookings.
Indeed.
Been told twice today that we're the best garage going.
Indeed.
I've been told
What's
twice
my feet?
today that I smell nice.
Have you? Right.
It's not even true.
Not that anything different.
Is that DSG oil you've got down?
So Lonnie's our newest and greatest members of staff who smells nice. I can't confirm or deny that because I've got air fever. I can't smell a damn thing. Tom, keep doing what you're doing, Tom.
Will do.
You're amazing.
Thank you.
Lonnie, you're also amazing.
Thank you.
Have a great day, people. Great day. Ska-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. And we've got another new member of staff. His real name is Lachlan, but he prefers to be called Lockie. Lockie, you're live on Facebook.
Cheers.
2 million views and counting. Go! Tell us about yourself. What's new?
I'm new.
Who are you?
ADS.
Where are you from? What's your favourite colour? What's your favourite food? Have you got a sister? What's going on? What's your dog called? What do you like doing in your spare time? What underpants are you wearing? Or whatever level you're comfortable at talking about, you know.
Some of them are a little bit too far.
Are they?
A little bit.
What, your underwear?
Yeah.
No. What are you that for?
Not that one.
Tell us about yourself, pal.
I'm new to here. I'm
Yes?
Lockie, not Lachlan.
I like Lachlan. It's a lovely name.
Don't like it. So we're not doing that one.
Okay, Lockie it is.
We're
Wait.
doing front shocks.
Yeah.
PS4.
Yeah.
Rear spring seats.
Yeah,
New intercooler on the front.
yeah,
Wheel alignment.
yeah.
Then much more to do today.
But more importantly, how are you finding life at ADS?
Good, I'm enjoying it.
You came from the dealer franchise network, a bit different how they work, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. But
I like it. I'm enjoying it.
you settled in.
Definitely.
What's this now, your 4th day?
Yeah. That's good.
Good lad. You're into mountain biking, aren't you, pal?
Yeah,
He's-
down
and
that
he's,
mountain bike.
he's a downhiller.
Big sense.
Balls the size of cricket bats. Unbelievable. Well, we love you, Lockie. Welcome to ADS.
Thank
Keep doing what you're doing, mate. All right, sorry to embarrass you. All right, your first broadcast. But listen, there'll be more.
Thank you.
A lot more. A lot more. The next member of staff needs little... Whee! The next member of staff needs little or no introduction. He is the man that underpins everything here at ADS. He is the foundation, the DNA. He is the mortar that bonds the bricks. It's just the man. This car just came in for have his tyre pressures checked. and Glyn decided to take the engine out. Don't know why he's done that. He's pulled up outside, tyre pressure monitoring lights on, can you check the tyre pressures, engines out. That's Glyn for you. Just makes a big job, small job, into a big job. Hi Glyn.
Alright.
Yeah? What are you up to? Oil and filter change. Did you find it was beneficial to take the engine out, the oil and filter? Sound. Save yourself a bit of time. This actually can clean around the oil filter housing without being obstructed. Thought so. Just in case you were worried, engine did come in, it had lost compression on cylinder number 2. Valve spring had broken. So we went for a cheaper option rather than rebuild it. New engine. So yeah, Glyn's on with that. Didn't come with tyre pressures, don't worry. Where's Isaac? Where's Isaac gone? I know where he's gone. Oh yeah, avoiding the camera. Oh well, Donna's here. Where's she gone? Here she is, pretty in pink. The face of ADS. Here she is. Oh. Donna, give us a few words for our viewers here at ADS. Well, I don't know, sun shining, blue sky.
Sunshine.
How are you?
Blue sky.
What are you up to? How are you finding life?
I'm like, oh, I'm busy.
Busy?
Yes.
This boy here,
Someone's killing it.
killing it.
Wheelbarrow. You want it?
I've just embarrassed Lani and Lockie.
They both sang the initiation
Oh,
song.
the new song.
Oh yeah. Sing, go. Doesn't matter.
Sing the song.
Sing a song. We're making it up. No. Yeah, he did. Yeah, he did. Love isn't here. Love isn't here anymore.
That big voice will come out now.
Love isn't here.
I don't think we're all there, in.
Whoa, today.
That's it. Isaac's run off. I'm gonna go back outside, work on my tan. I'm not really. I need to program a body control module on Skoda. Boring. Have a lovely day. I hope life's treating you all well. I'm boxing on the 21st of October against a big, mean, hard bastard. He's a good lad as well. So yeah, that'll be a good fight. Tickets will be available soon for that. I'm training very, very hard, twice a day, eating clean, not drinking. It's killing me. So far I've lost the will to live and some weight. Apart from that, it's all going well. Stay classy. Love you.